Hey guys, this is Hayden from Will It Tech, and today I'm joined again by Henry for a very
Hey guys.
special video. And yeah, Henry, how about you explain what we're going to be doing today?
Okay, so what we are going to be doing is we are each going to use $700 to build the best PC that we can on PCPartsPicker.com using the current prices. Plus, so this is including Windows, but it's not including a monitor, a keyboard, a mouse. So yeah, I mean, like it doesn't really matter. And at the end of it, we're going to basically compare our systems and see who did a better job of getting a value PC. So yeah, do you want to get right into it?
Yeah, and I am going to be recording mine, but not recording his, and I will have an unlisted video with a link to it in the description below if you want to watch me building this computer. So yeah, now we're going to end this recording here, and then we'll be back later. Bye. Okay, and we're back, and for those of you who didn't take the time to go watch my video that I made, we'll be going over mine too. We're going to be going over Henry's first. So yeah, do you want to explain?
Yeah, sure. So starting off, I went with the AMD FX 6200, 3.8 gigahertz, 6-core processor, and I went with a Be Quiet Pure Rock 87.0 CFM sleeve rifle bearing CPU cooler. Nice, 40 bucks or 30 bucks, pretty good. For the motherboard, I went with a Gigabyte GA78LMT USB 3.0 micro ATX motherboard. Got all the stuff you want. None of the stupid stuff that no one else uses when you're buying like a $50 motherboard. Like sometimes I see M.2 support on $50 motherboards. Like anyone's going to put an M.2 SATA or an M.2 SSD on a $50 motherboard. Just dumb. For the memory, I went with 8 gigs of G.Skill Ripjaw X 62, DDR3 1600 megahertz basic with a Seagate Barracuda 1 terabyte 720 RPM internal hard drive, 1 terabyte, pretty nice. For the graphics card, I went with a 4 gig DirectCU2 Asus Radeon R9 270X for about 200 bucks. Good deal. For the case, I went with a Silverstone PSO or PS09B micro ATX mid tower. For the power supply, I went with an EVGA 500 watt 80 plus certified ATX power supply. And for the operating system, I went with Microsoft 7 Home Premium SP1.
And yeah, so ours are pretty similar. Yeah, so now we can hop over to mine, and our CPUs are pretty much the same. Mine's just a tad better. I went with the AMD FX 6350 3.9 gigahertz 6-core processor, and yeah, it's just 1.1, I don't even know, of a gigahertz faster than his. And yeah, for the motherboard, I went with the MSI 970A G43 ATX AM3 Plus motherboard. Great for the value, it's $65, so a bit more expensive than his. We went with the exact same RAM, two 4 GB sticks of G.Skill Ripjaw X series DDR3 1600 RAM. And he went with the hard drive, I went with a solid state drive. I went with the Crucial MX100 256 GB 2.5-inch solid state drive. And for the video card, I went with the Sapphire Radeon R9 270X 4 GB DualX video card. And yeah, so for the case, I went with the Thermaltake VL8001W2Z ATX mid-tower case. For the power supply, I went with the Corsair Builder 500 watt 80 plus bronze certified ATX power supply. And for the operating system, we went the same thing. And mine is $673. His is like $630 something. And
Oh
yeah,
wait, are we using plus rebates?
yeah.
Oh, hold on. We're
What?
using.
Yeah, plus rebates.
Sorry, just I didn't think we did plus rebates. Okay, I mean, not that big of a deal. All I need to change is one thing. Okay, so hold on. I need to get a calculator out.
Okay. Um, Wait. Isn't yours good enough, like, without the rebates? You have mail-in rebates on yours?
Yeah, I know that's no, but mine is with it. It's only it's 700 minus the rebates, so I didn't factor in the rebates.
Wait,
So
for
just give me a
factor in for
second.
what? Okay, okay. If I had some, like,
Just
standby music, I put that on, but I don't, so
da 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 da.
duh. I don't know. Stand by. Dee.
Best way to blow the eardrums out of your viewers.
Yeah.
Stand by. Beep.
Stand by. Or we can do a dial-up connection.
No, it just sounds like you're a dying cat.
Yeah.
It's like
That's my impression of the dial-up connection, or dialing up. And
Okay, so I did upgrade the graphics card to a Sapphire Radeon R9 280X, 3 gig Tri-X.
The same one. Oh, you got one better than mine. So whose PC do you think is better all in all?
So we're going to say why I think mine is better. He's gonna say why he thinks his is better. But ultimately, you guys, all you viewers, comment down below which system would you rather have for $700?
Yeah.
His or mine?
So are we gonna go with like a debate thing and just say why?
Yeah, let's do a debate. Okay, so do you want to start or should I start?
I'll go
okay,
first.
Yeah, you can start.
So first up, my CPU is better, and yeah. So also I went with an MSI motherboard, and he went with a Gigabyte. I think that's solely our preferences. I like MSI more. He likes Gigabyte more. We went with the same RAM. I went with a solid state drive, thinking you were going to, but had I not, I would have gone with like a 3 terabyte Western Digital. But yeah, my graphics card was better at first, but then you came up with a better one than me. But still, I don't know. And my case is cheaper, and it looks pretty cool. It has some lights on it. Yeah. I think yours is better. I'm just gonna go out and saying that. So I'm not
also, guess what?
What?
I have USB 3.
So do I, except my case.
No, you don't.
My case doesn't support it because I forgot. Yeah.
Ha. Okay. So wait, can we? Can overclocking be a factor?
No.
Like how overclockable they are?
Let's just leave overclocking out for now.
Okay. So, my CPU a little bit weaker than his, but with this Pure Rock, if anyone wants to do any overclocking, it'll run way faster, and it'll also the ambient temperature of the room will be better. It'll be quieter because it's not using the stock heatsink and fan that comes with all pre-built or all basic AMD CPUs. I went with a 1 terabyte just because I feel like SSDs are so expensive to get anything over 120 gigabytes, which isn't that much. I would know because I run into that problem all the time on my 120 gigabyte SSD. The graphics card, I did beat him with a 280X Tri-X video card. My case is a little bit better. It's made of full machined aluminum. It's got USB 3, unlike his, doesn't support USB 3. My motherboard is cheaper than his, but actually comes with the ability to have RAID.
I think mine is RAID.
And it has 6 SATA 3 gigabyte pit. And it also comes with onboard Ethernet.
Mine has RAID. Wait.
Yours has RAID?
Wait. Yeah.
Does yours have onboard video?
No.
Does it have Crossfire support?
Yes.
Does it have SLI support?
SLI. Doesn't say. It probably does. I'm just missing it. I don't think so.
Does it have an onboard USB?
Wait, no, it doesn't have. It doesn't have SLI. Yeah, it does have onboard USB. Okay, yours is better. Whatever.
It's fine. It's fine. I'm just saying. But at the end of the day, basically, it's a personal preference. I mean,
yeah, whether you go with MSI or Gigabyte.
Not really that. It's the way you distribute your money. Like if I wanted to, I could probably make this PC better. His PC will probably be better for more mainstream titles. It'll also be faster than mine because things will start up faster since I have a hard drive and he has an SSD.
No, it's the other way around.
No, I said you have a hard drive, I have an SSD. No, never mind.
No,
I have a hard drive. You have an SSD. Yeah,
yeah, so mine will start up faster.
But yeah, the cases just comes down to personal preference. I mean,
Mine looks
USB
cooler.
3.0. I mean,
No one really uses it. I mean, actually lots of people do, but I don't.
I'm just saying, like, there are certain items that need USB 3.0, like external storage devices. If you're like a recorder and you want to put all your recordings on a external storage device, but I mean things like that. So USB 3, not that much. But at the end of it, we're just showing you how closely we actually think with our builds. We went with the exact same RAM. We went with the exact same graphics card vendor. We went with basically with almost the exact same CPU. So yeah, just showing you how good, like, it's really, at the end of the day, it's about where you want to spend your money. Personally, I would rather spend less on my CPU than on my graphic and get a better graphics card and maybe go for a hard drive instead of an SSD to get an even better graphics card. But I mean, it's your personal preference. So yeah.
So
That is the end of this video.
Yeah, as
That'll
always,
wrap us up.
yeah. Bye. Thanks
Peace.
for watching.